My little baby.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I believe I met you.
You know why I love you so much?
Why?
Because you're like my best friend. I feel so comfortable with you.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
Just your best friend?
Mm-hmm.
Relax there.
Well, I wouldn't know otherwise.
Oh, yeah. Okay. What about all these kisses? So you kiss your best friend?
You know what I mean.
I know. No, you're my best friend, too. I've never had that in a relationship.
You haven't?
No, where I'm, like, able to tell someone everything.
Mm-hmm.
I always, kind of separated my friends like that.
Liz, please go to
Doc.
my...
Oh, boy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, we're gonna flip over. Oh, shit. You're gonna flip it? No, you're gonna flip it. You're gonna get hurt, big. Okay. Stop. Why would you do that, right? I got your tickle spot. I have your tickle spot. You're on the thing. There's ants on you. You broke the hammock. You get no more tickles. No! Help! Beefcakes! Beefcakes! Help! I need a beefcake!
That's
really
annoying.
She finally got me.
I got you so good.
No.
Oh.
Oh, you're gonna get it so bad later.